Hey, good afternoon, guys. My name is Ryan Haltom, and I work for ASCO Equipment. I'm our territory sales manager and a case product specialist. Today, I'm here to talk to you about our new Case B series compact track loaders. Here in front of us, we've got a Case TR340B. This is a 90 horsepower machine, weighs about 10,000 pounds. Operating capacity of 3,400 pounds, tipping load of 6,800 pounds. This is a great all-around machine, and in the words of Lane Horwood, this is the best damn ranch machine on the market. We're going to start up here in the front of our machine. This machine comes standard with a 78-inch bucket. It's a low-profile bucket. We choose the low-profile buckets here at ASCO for a majority of reasons. We'll get to part of that later. But going from the front of the machine here, we've got a cross member between the loader arms that is welded completely through. This is greatly improves structural integrity and durability. Moving around, standard on every Case skid steer or compact track loader is our 14-point electrical connector. Standard flow hydraulics. You also have the option on any 90 horsepower machine to upgrade to high flow or enhanced high flow. As we work our way around this side of the machine, there's various grease points. One thing you want to notice is our track adjustment access. From here, you take out one bolt, loosen this, we'll slide this panel over. Simple couple of quick pumps from a grease gun, and you can adjust your track tension. You want to have about 1.5 inches of play in the tracks. Proper adjustment. So we work our way around this side. Here we have our battery access panel. Here we have our environmental fluid, oil, antifreeze, and hydraulic drains. We're going to work our way around the back of the machine. From here, and we'll touch on this later, you can clearly see through the back of the machine. We have best-in-class visibility. Like I say, we're going to touch on a few points on that later. Easy open hood, easy access, and heavy-duty door. Once you get inside the machine here, one of Case's just biggest selling points, and one of their standards they put on all their machinery, is ground line serviceability. As you can see, everything is easy to get to. If your battery disconnects, there's also a jumper post here that makes it very easy to jump off your machine if it's dead, or you need to use this battery to jump off some random John Deere that's on location. That way you don't actually have to access your battery if you need to get to a jumper. You've got your hydraulic filter, your DEF fill, fuel filter, primer pump, and your diesel fill point and main diesel filter. Anyways, air filter. Once again, everything's easy to get to. Now closing this, easy open, easy close it. Right here, you've got your grease point or your daily checkpoint diagram. Very self-explanatory, very easy to get to. So as we work our way back around this machine, same thing on this side on the tracks, your track adjustment. Here you have your safety loader arm lockout. If you ever need to work on your machine or roll the cab forward, all you have to do is lift your loader arms completely up, undo this pin, drop it, repin it, and you're locked in a safe position. Now that we're touching base on that, the access in the cab roll forward is one of the easiest in the industry. All you do is take off these two 21mm nuts. I believe it's 21mm, it might be 22. Can't remember off the top of my hand. Once you've got those off, and the loader frame is all the way in the air, very simple. Grab onto this, lean back, cab rolls forward. You've got access to everything underneath your cab and on the front side of the engine bay. Now, coming back around to the front of the machine, best lighting in the industry, they actually call it 360-degree lighting. It only looks like 180-degree here, but the way these lights shine, combined with the lights, the reverse lights in the rear, they call it 360-degree lighting. Right here we have a mechanical skid steer coupler. Easy access to roll into and out of your bucket or attachments. We also have, on all your cab models, usually come with a hydraulic coupler, which is operate from a touch of a button from inside the cab. I'm now in the cab here of this B Series track loader. A lot of great improvements this year. Give me 1 second, let me get turned around here. So, all redesign of the pillars, a new joystick, easy function, very simplified functional design. Over on our right side, you can see our new 8-inch LCD display. This display also has a backup camera. Not that you need it. You've got very great visibility. I'm going to go ahead and touch base on 360-degree visibility right now. One thing that we have that hardly any of our other competitors have is from the driver's seat in any normal position, you can see your entire working and cutting edge of the front of your bucket. That is a big deal for any operator. If you can imagine trying to swing and hit the end of a nail that you can't hit, you can't see. Same thing when you're operating equipment. If you can see the tool you're working with, it makes it a lot easier. So here we go, back to this new 8-inch LCD display. A lot of functionality. You're able to set this to basically customize it to settings for your job or for whatever your operator is. You can go to the Easy H controls, control the speed and sensitivity of your joysticks, to your bucket, to your tracks, the drive, to your loader arms, etc. It's just a wide versatility of adjustments here. Also in this model, something that rarely goes noticed that Case has and most nobody else does is this sweep out port at the bottom of the cab. Most of our competition, you have to use a shop vac to clean out the cab, and 9 times out of 9, when I'm in the middle of pasture, grubbing mesquite or doing whatever, at the end of the day, I don't have a shop vac out there or electricity to vacuum out my cab. With this one, you can just take a broom, sweep it out, rinse it out with a bottle of water. The cab models actually come with a plate that bolts onto that. It comes undone with 4 bolts. Excuse me, easy access, sweep out your cab. You're clean and ready to go for the next day. Or the next job. Simplicity is a key here. The new Case B Series, easy controls, big controls. They've dummied it down. I would hate to use the word dummy, but it makes it simple and easy. Once you start a machine, push to operate, this engages all your hydraulic functions, your drive, your bucket, everything. From here, you go to your home screen. You've got your backup camera. You can disable your backup camera and look at your diagnostics. You've got your full width rear view mirror, hand throttle. I usually run my hand throttle about half the 3/4 throttle. Everything else I finish out with my foot. A few more things to add about the new Case compact track loader B Series is Case has achieved Tier 4 final emissions and without the use of decent particulate filters or unnecessary regen time. They do this all through selective catalytic reduction. Another thing that sets Case apart from the competition is fuel efficiency, cost of ownership, along with faster cycle times, just an overall better machine. Thanks again for joining us today for this Case B Series compact track loader walk around video. We appreciate your time. Once again, if there's any questions you might have or anything we can do for you, please give me a call, Ryan Haltom, or my manager, Chris Willis. Just give us a shout down here at ASCO, and we'll do whatever we can to help you out. Anyways, you guys have a great Friday and a blessed weekend, and we'll see you next week. Adios.